Hello everyone, my name is Me, and today my name is Me, and I'm the presenter of the group number 7. Our topic, our group topic is about how to make word scramble. Uh, as you know, in general, to encourage students to concentrate on the lesson or help them to have fun during the lesson, teacher have to make a lot of activity, and one of that is word scramble. It is one of the attractive activity, especially for language learner, especially for foreign language learner. And in teaching English, uh, making word scramble is also important too, and through and you can and you can easily searching how to make word scramble for English language on Google. But today I just show you how to make word scramble into significant website. Is the first one is The first one is education.com, and the second one is the teacher corner. For the first website, first of all, you need to write down the name of the website, and then when you access to the website, click the symbol right here. Click the symbol right here and click more. In the product section, you will choose the worksheet generator. Okay, now we will choose the reading worksheet generator. You can see it tells us make crossword puzzles, matching quizzes, word scrambles, and more. So here we are. Get started. Okay, now choose a word scramble. Okay, now you just need to write down your title. For example, animal. You can freely write it in uppercase or lowercase, but for me, I see uppercase is more prettier. Okay, and to the words in this blank, you will write down your words that you want student to scramble. For example, cat, dog, monkey, lion, tiger, elephant, butterfly. Okay, here you can choose the letter K, uppercase or lowercase for your words. After you choose the type of the letter, you just need to click the create, and you can see on the right side of the on the right side is a review worksheet, and you can see your worksheet when you print it, how it was like, how it will like. You can see here is a title animal, and here is the word that have been scrambled, and here is the column for students to write down their answers. To make your, and here is a answer key. Yeah, it's an answer key. And to have your worksheet more colorful or prettier, you can choose the theme here, maybe biking. Yeah, you can see it train the theme, right? Or the Q colorized. Also here. So after you choosing the suitable name, you just need to download it and also download the answer key if it is necessary. So that is how to make the word scramble in education.com. Now let's move to the second one, the teacher corner. Okay, so like the word like in education.com, first of all you need to write down the name of the website, teacher.com, teacherscorner.net. And after you write down the name of the website, here is a website, and in this one you need to choose a printable worksheet and then choose a word scramble maker. In this one, yeah, you can see that the title, you need to write down your title here. Okay, anymore again, and here is the blank for you to write down the instruction. This one is they have been done for you, but if you don't want it, you can write it with your own. Yeah. Okay, so I will keep it please unscramble the words below. And here is some the note for you to make it easier. Use a capital first letter, and or to make it harder, use a cap or a lowercase. Yeah, it's really useful for you to make the worksheet for the student with suitable level. Okay, so after you choose write out the title and write out the instructions, and let's move to the next one is write out the words you want to scramble. First one is cat, dog, cow. I'm sorry, cow, chicken, lion, monkey, elephant, giraffe. Butterfly. In snake, you can choose a number of the color. Also, you can choose the shuffle order of the word. If you choose this one, the order it won't be like what you write down. So shuffle, and after write out your word, you can choose the font of the letter, and just my personal tip. I advise you to choose all the letter to turn it on. Just O. Oh, okay. So not turn it. Okay. Here. Okay. So let's choose the next step. Yeah, here's the original words. And in this column, there will be the scramble words. So to scramble the word, just click to scramble, and it will have two options: scramble just the middle letters or scramble entire words. So for me, I will choose the scramble entire words. If you just want to scramble just the middle letter, so you can choose these options. So through scramble entire words and then click to scramble. Okay, so after you through the click to scramble, you can go up and you can see all the words had been scrambled, right? And okay, and now just click to the, let's move to the last step, make words scramble. Okay, there will be truths. Okay, so there will be another tab for you. You can see here is your worksheet about the word scramble, and on the left side of the screen is a customization menu, and in this one you can choose the word form of the word, maybe for the title and maybe for the word you want to scramble. Here you can choose the comic sans. You can see it train, it's all train, right? And here is you can also choose the name or date option. You can see on the top of the worksheet is the name of the student or the date. Okay, let's go back. And oh, so one more thing, yeah, you can easily you can click almost anywhere on your worksheet to change the text. It's really great to you if you see a spelling error or want to provide a tip somewhere. For example, fill in a letter on schoolwork or change the title or instruction. Yeah, yes, you can see it. You can write out it anywhere you want. Next one, use this option, name or title, instruction to change design font, text size or font color. Also change the buzzer size, and also you can add the color and or add at my. But yeah, you can see here is a note about a table about it's a note. It says that you can only drag and drop one at minus, and to have more, you need to upgrade your account into the premium membership, right? And after all of that, you can click the save as, and they will save your worksheets at PDF or at Magic or at my. Okay, so one more tip. Is your puzzle too long or too wide to fit on the page? Uh, use a blue use this blue blue menu option, and to reduce the size of the fonts, maybe the title and the instruction, the puzzle, for example. Okay, so that's all about my presentation. How about how to scramble word? Thank you for listening.